When you're in a financial crisis, it's hard for you to ask for help. And if you can still muster some courage, you don't really know where to ask for help. But worry not, I'm Kevin Shaw, I'm your friend and a full-time caregiver who's caring for you. So I remember a time when I personally needed help, and although I was able to subsequently return that help, I simply didn't approach anyone in the first instance for fear of being judged, which delayed the treatment of my grandmother, who subsequently died of dementia. So I understand what you might go through when things are really tough. You can't afford to delay treatment for yourself or your loved ones. In fact, the places I'm going to name cover all types of funding that you will never have to return to the generous donors. All you have to ensure is honesty and sincerity in which you appeal and use the fund. Okay, so please save this video or write these down. Number one is Kickstarter, which is a rewards-based crowdfunding platform for creative projects such as films, music, video games, and board games. Number two is Indiegogo, which is a rewards-based crowdfunding platform for a wide range of projects, including creative projects, business ventures, and personal causes. Number three is YouTube's favourite, Patreon, which is a membership-based crowdfunding platform that allows creators to earn recurring income from their supporters. Number four, this is GoFundMe, which is a donation-based crowdfunding platform for personal causes such as medical expenses, funeral costs, and educational expenses. Number five is Fundable, which is a rewards-based and equity-based crowdfunding platform for small business startups. And number six is Crowdcube, which is an equity-based crowdfunding platform for UK and European startups. Number seven is Mighty Cause, which is a donation-based crowdfunding platform for non-profits. Number eight is Start Engine, which is an equity-based crowdfunding platform for high-growth startups. Number nine is Ulule, which is a rewards-based crowdfunding platform for projects from Europe and other parts of the world. So this list is not exhaustive, but it does include some of the most well-known and reputable crowdfunding websites. And when choosing a crowdfunding platform, it's important to consider the type of project you're raising funds for and the platform's fees. You should also read the reviews of different platforms before making a decision. I really hope this information is useful and you overcome your situation as early as possible and you step out there and ask for help. Thanks for joining your friend Kevin Shaw, and goodbye.